use RapidMiner. First study the dataset, discretization and normalization. First study the dataset. First of all, we have to import the data. In this case, I'm importing data in my computer. Select the data of which you want. Here is my dataset. You can observe. You can observe that it is showing I have inserted a notepad file. For Veka, we have to use in such a manner to get the data in Veka. But in this case, the same data file would not be work similar. So the header size should be increased. And here this is the data. From ninth column, I have got ninth row, I have got the data. Now by pressing next, the data is got imported. Just by clicking on next, it will ask where to save the data. Just save the data in the local repository. In my case, as you can see, it is already saved. So I'm clicking cancel here. After clicking yes, you'll get this window. Just drag the dataset of yours and just drop here. You can observe a alert icon. That means the file is not yet run. Connect out to RES. This is the connection. And then click here run. You can observe the dataset file here. Now we go for the design side. In results only, you can observe the statistics of roll number, name, Telugu, Hindi. As per the attributes, you can observe the statistics and missing values and all other data. In visualization, you can visualize in the graph manner also. As you can see in bottom, you can see the names. In left, you can see the attributes like other languages. You can plot in any type. In here, you can plot in line, sepal line, as your wish. Here you can observe the difference in histogram. This is the histographical graph. It will be represented in colors as it is a mode dimension. Now we go for the annotations. Annotation just represent where the file is present. Now we go for the discretize. In design, for discretization, we have discretize by size, discretize by binning, discretize by frequency, discretize by user specifications. First, we go for the discretize by size. Discretize by size will be presenting in the cleansing, go to binning, and you can see here the four features which I have said. Discretize by size, binning, frequency. First, we go for the size. Select discretize by size and drop on the design screen. Now reconnect as shown. After connecting, it will ask the size of the bin. Here I'm going to keep 3 and then pressing run. This is the data for the data set which I have given. We have got the discretize by size. Now we go from the design and we use discretize by binning now. Select discretize by binning and connect as follows. Here also I'm giving the bin size as 3, sorry, and we are clicking run. This is the data for the given data set of discretize by binning. Now we go for the discretize by frequency and connect as follows. After connection, the number of bins I'm giving as 2 and I'm clicking run. Here is the data as per discretized by frequency. Now we use discretized by user specifications. As in the name says, discretized by user specification, the user has to mention which column has to be discretized. Here I'm going to mention a single column and we have to mention which attribute has to be made discretized. In this situation, I'm using max and pressing run. You can observe that max column has get the data as last. This is all for discretize. Now we go for the normalization. For normalization, we have jet transformation, range transformation, proportion transformation, interquartile range. Now, normalize is also present in cleansing. In cleansing, you can observe a field called normalization. In normalization, there will be a field called normalize. Select it and drag here. Now connect as follows. There won't be separate fields for normalization as when is seen in the discretize. Here, by selecting the normalize, you can observe the methods. For some laptops, it is not showing. Just you have to see the show advanced parameters over there and click on it. You'll get the method types. By default, it will be in the jet transformation. First of all, we'll see first jet transformation for the given data. As I'm clicking run, this is the data set I have got. Now we go for the range transformation. As range means we have to set the range from which value to which value the data has to be changed. Here, I'm keeping minimum as 0, maximum as 1. By clicking run, all the values are changed to 0 to 1. Now we go for the design and change range transformation to proportion transformation. By clicking run, it is changed to proportion transformation. Now we go for the design and we use another interquartile range. By pressing run, you'll get the data in such a manner for the given data set. Please check the description for the title and file and RapidMiner link and the dataset file I have used for this discretization normalization. Here is all for today, guys. Thank you.